Welcome to another Auto Ricambi video. Today we will be replacing the speedometer drive seal in the speedometer of a Fiat Spider 2000 or Fiat 124 Spider. Here's the seal that we will be replacing, and it goes in the end of the speedometer drive. And this can be done with the transmission installed in the car, but there's not enough space for me to do a video on that. And actually on this car that we removed this from, there is no old seal. There is absolutely nothing here. If there is an old seal there, then we just pick it out with a pick. This one is in better days. But once the old one is out, we need to install the new seal, and we installed it with the larger part first. So this has to go in first. It would be easier to put it in the other way, but then it will leak. So we need to put this in first, and we just simply put it around the shaft, and then we use either a pick or a screwdriver or something to work it around while putting some pressure on it, and just work it around to get it to go inside. And this might take a little while. It might pop out in one place when we push it in another. It takes a little patience, like a lot of other things in working on cars. I probably should have done better if I started first where I cannot see it, because that's easier to start it first and then put it in later, the part that I see. But okay, so now it is in all the way around. We just need to push it in, and we'll use a socket to do that. And this is a 9mm socket that's about the same outside diameter, and we just use this to push this all the way in. Make sure it's evenly in all the way around. And we are done.